Hey everyone, what's going on? It's Eli here from Deep Discounts Club, and today I'm bringing you guys an unboxing and quick look at this makeup organizer. First box, you have this acrylic dome. Second box, you have this organizer portion here. Third box, you've got this acrylic part here, looks like a drawer. Final box, we have this another acrylic part. I'm gonna go ahead and put these together and let you guys know how it looks. Alright, I have assembled the organizer. The nice thing is they include these pads here, 12 of them in total. You got 4 for this spinny part. And you've also got some at the bottom of this drawer and 4 at the bottom of this drawer so that you don't scratch up your tabletops. So this part right here, it's got this dome. You can put your brushes in here, spin this around. This will basically cover up anything you have inside. It'll make sure that dust stays out from there. You've got the drawer here. You can put anything you want inside here. It's got this nice geometric looking, elegant, decorative trim on the sides. And on top you've got spots here for lotions, spots for fragrances, spots for different types of makeup, anything you want. And the nice thing is this all stacks up perfectly like that. So that's it. That's the set. Hope you guys enjoyed.